It's gonna get dirty again. Hmm?
I have a lot of dirt in my sandals.
Let me see. It's okay. You can just rinse it out later.
Yeah, I use the
Oh, so you're poking me with the umbrella. Okay. And right here?
Yeah. It looks like a mini river.
It's a mini river, huh? Oh, do you see any, maybe it's too cold for snails, huh? Do you see any snails?
No,
If you see any snails, let me know.
they don't come. Oh!
Hmm? Where? Huh?
Family.
Oh, yeah. Moving really slowly. It's almost like they're not moving.
I don't think they actually are moving.
Yeah, they're moving. They were moving very slowly. Oh, so there's still snails out there. Snails out here,
I
huh?
think snails open up way faster. I had a pet snail.
Let's go check out the pond that we went last time. I know he just decided to park on the grass, huh? Oh, there's still ducks out here. Do you see any? Whoa! They probably saw us.
Yeah, but still, they don't have to be that far away.
Oh, they're just careful then. Any duckling? Let's see. Hey, is that a fish over there? That's koi fish, right? That red thing?
Yeah, that's a koi.
That's koi fish, right?
Koi.
Whoa, it's still alive. Whoa. Yeah, it's still swimming away.
This is kind of cursed, not gonna lie though. Water in water. You see like water?
Yeah, it looks like the water is floating on the
water.
water drops floating on the water, huh?
Yeah.
I wonder if that's maybe it's a bubble.
No, they're not bubbles. Yep, they're not bubbles.
They're not bubbles. They're actual water.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
That's cool.
There are two. There look. There are two.
Oh yeah, there are.
Two orange, bright orange koi fish there. Wow.
What is that?
That's just plant.
It's a weird plant.
Yeah.
More ducks are over there.
Yeah, they just move.
Yeah, they're all just run away. That's strange though. I've never seen those plants at this pond. They kind of look like alligators though. Like the tails
Kind of.
of alligators. I wonder what plant that is.
I'm surprised we still have a lot of ducks here.
Oh, fish
I
duck.
thought they'll be gone by now. But
Only koi fish duck.
San Diego is still warm compared to other part of the country.
I think all the fish are scared except the koi fish of the rain.
Or they're just hiding under the plants.
Yep.
The lily pads over there. Do you see that white duck?
Yeah.
There's a albino duck right there.
What?
Albino means it's like a white color.
Aren't those like rare?
Yeah,
Aren't those? Isn't there like an albino tiger too?
there's albino everything. Hey, he's looking at us.
I like the bubble machine right there because it like makes a circle around it from like all the weird pads.
Yeah, I think that's where the water comes out.
Yeah. Oh,
Look, the same plant.
yeah, it's on land.
It must be from some type of plant around here. Maybe we'll see one.
It looks like the kraken, like a part. The
Part of Kraken?
Yeah, it's a Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah.
It's like too like rainy to even see anything in the water.
Yeah, because water makes everything like blurry, right?
Can we go to the park? There's a lot of snails there.
Should we go to the park?
Yeah.
We can go check it out. Hopefully there are no weirdos there.
We're like right near it anyways. We
We'll
have to walk
just-
a little bit over there.
We'll just come back out if we see any weirdos. Look at these plants, Jet. They got like, is this flower or fruit? And look how sharp the edges are.
Pretty sharp.
Yeah. And look at this plant.
Whoa!
It looks cool with the water drops at the end, right?
I want to try that.
Look at this. It's like a
They look like plants. Like the water drops look like the plants. That's
very cool. And of course there are a bunch of these everywhere, right?
Yep.
With the
they're
red.
all around. We have one in front of our house too.
Yeah. On the way to
This
school.
one's kind of weird shape though.
Which one? Oh, that's so bright.
It's a weird shape.
Color is so bright.
And this also looks like a fruit, but it's just a
Touch
water
it.
drop
Touch it. Yeah.
on my leaf thing.
We don't need to swim. Oh, look. See how puddles being drained
Yeah,
to down here?
it goes to the ocean.
Well, it goes down. Oh, eventually, it goes down to right here. All these are like collecting the. Oh, there's car coming. Good thing we weren't standing there, huh?
Yeah, good thing we stopped.
Yeah.
Right before another car comes.
Oh my gosh! Look
Oh
how
my.
high this is.
Good thing we're on top right here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Look at these plants too. Everything looks cool. Everything looks like different with the when it's wet, huh?
Yeah.
Even the regular plants like right here. Huh? Cotton plants? Oh, Jay, look at this. Look all these water drops at the end. Wow, look at these. You see them? Do you still see cotton looking thing? This? Oh, maybe it came off. Well, it is winter right now. Okay, we can go here now. This way. Ooh. Well, this one's moving for sure.
Yeah. I told you they move fast.
The other ones were moving too,
Yeah.
but this one's more active for sure. Yeah, like double the speed. It's good to see snails. Oh, look at all this
Oh, I
bunch.
just pooped myself.
What are they doing over here?
Oh.
Are they kissing each other? Are they hugging? Maybe they're cold.
They're probably kissing.
Yeah?
They look like they are. Is there two girls and one boy? Or is there like two boys, one girl?
Who knows?
It looks like they're kissing, not gonna lie though.
Looks like those two are kissing. This one just like walking away.
Mom and dad and the
That's the son.
yeah. And they're just kissing.
They're like, Mom and Dad. There are a lot of small snails on the ground.
Yeah, and do not step.
Yeah, try not to step on them.
Look at the ground. And you might step on one back, but
Yeah.
be careful.
Look at the color of the planet in the marsh over there. It's like a almost red, right? It's like a red orange. I think we're the only ones here in this park because it's yeah. Normal people don't come to park when it's raining. So if you see, we're kind of crazy. We're here, right? Oh, watch out right here. But if we see another crazy person, we gotta be careful. Oh. Oh, we just crossed this big puddle right here.
Grass is gonna have a feast.
Well, the plants are happy. Grass, yeah, the grass and trees, bushes. We haven't had rain in a long time, right?
Long time. I always forget how old you are.
You can multiply your age by 4, and I'm still older than you.
That is true.
I'm an old man. Well, at least compared to you. Everything looks so clean now, huh?
Yeah.
Too bad we can't sit on the swings.
I was about to do that.
They're so wet.
Then I just remembered.
Okay, let's go through that bridge over there. Ooh, look at this. Just tap it. Just hit it up like that. Hit it up. Go there. Just hit it up. Use your umbrella. I wonder if coyotes like hide in these places. So I still see coyotes at nighttime.